we're talking about true crime here in the studio, and I think a lot of y'all have seen the article that really shocked a lot of people, that Geico was ordered to pay $5.2 million in damages to a woman who contracted a sexually transmitted disease of HPV from her boyfriend at the time, and that injury occurred in a vehicle and therefore was payable or should be paid out under the vehicle insurance policy. And this is by no means going to be over with this one. I'm assuming that Geico is going to litigate the ever-living heck out of this. I've read the opinion. I want to share some of it with you. The then boyfriend had an active throat cancer that he had been informed of was positive for HPV. And the allegation is that he knew about it and he negligently infected her by not taking precautions. And, you know, it's an unpleasant disease, a sexually transmitted disease. It can only be, well, it can't only be, but it can be spread through direct sexual contact. And, you know, it causes genital warts. And this young man and this young woman engaged in something knowing, but one of them knew an additional fact and should have taken some precautions. And the victim alleged that the car insurance policy covered the injuries, and the insurance company turned the claim down, and she took that to arbitration, and the arbitrator found that there was a negligent infection and she was awarded damages. And she then sought to confirm the award, and here we have this fight where, you know, she's the winner, and it looks like, unless something very large happens, that the arbitration process, which was in many people's opinion created to favor insurance companies, this is one of those times where it backfired. She was found to be the winner. Geico was prevented from relitigating those issues because they did intervene, but the issue of liability and damages had already been established, and that's the whole point of arbitration. So it was and is and remains a shocking ruling. We'll see if it stands, but for now it looks like it's not going to be disturbed. And of course there's going to be more litigation to come unless there's a settlement, but I anticipate that there'll be some changes that we're all going to need to read to make sure Geico and any other insurance company doesn't get popped like this again. So be on the lookout for that. Y'all have a great day.